Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to day 24 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. Here is the sketch. A lot of fun strips here and here. Looks like some mixed media and one photo. I have 3 photos. So I've got me and the hubs with Caesar Palace in the background, and then my husband and son walking towards Caesar Palace on this same catwalk. I am going to mat those each in a glassine bag. Actually, I've got 2 of these, so what we're going to do is we're going to combine them. That's some good sturdy cardstock. I bet I can find some use for that, right? So we're going to combine this up so that just a little bit more packaging gone. Alright, I have pulled in, I would like to use this up. So I have a chip, 2 chips and 2 dice. I have this metal bits. It's metal bits. I have both of these because I don't know which one I want to use. But we've got generations, tradition, adore, home is the sacred refuge of our life, believe, dream, inspire, family, a group that is related through common ancestry, lineage, marriage, or adoption. Families. So we've got those. I've got some candles because it's the kid's birthday. Some puffies, sticker book, the bits. And I'm going to make a fun title using different colored alphas. I've got my scraps. We're going to use this piece here as our main background. See if I can pull in any birthday stuff and anything from here. I think we'll try to mat our photo with that as well. All right. So, main idea of that, I don't know how much of that I'm going to follow. Okay. Let's get down to business. Let's trim this guy down. And then, ooh. All right, I will be right back. All right, so we've got that kind of stuck down with the pockets. I did take the little border strip here and put down here only because there looked like there was like a tear in my paper. Now I've had the paper, you guys, for a while. So what I thought we would do, we'll move that out of the way, is I'm going to take and I'm going to stick in these little bitty, and I think family. Stick family up here as well. Let's kind of run that guy there. And then we'll stick this one here. Okay. Kind of, let's just build that cluster there and then bring it, we'll run it down. So let's just kind of get some of this stuff stuck on there. We got the family. Kind of stick in there. And we get this piece stuck in there. Okay, come in with this guy. He's gonna go right there. And then we're gonna Pop Bingo there, and this big long asteroid. Because, well, you know, we're just kind of having a play with it, right, at this point. And this is going to come and just kind of hang out right like that. Come in and just keep sticking things in here. I like this. This is how we roll. I'm going to pop this up. Pop this one up right down here. And take the little dice and kind of tuck them around it, right? And then we'll pull these guys in as well. Okay. And then we've got the little family. We're just going to stick to the side there. Let's get the dream. Let's stick the dream over here. Yeah, I pretty much have walked away from our... we're only going to use the two, so I'm going to put this one, and I've combined these as well. Excuse me. And then I have some stars sitting here to get some color and dimension up here. Let's put these cute little chips. And then that sheet's used. So let me go ahead and figure out my title. I feel like it's like, you know, so we've got all kinds of fun colors. So let me figure that out and we'll be right back. Alright, so I have got my clusters all built up. I did go ahead and just do those off screen. I apologize if you would have wanted to see a lot of that, but it's just been a weird few days. So I am just going to pop these stars around in some places. And finish up what we've got. Bring a little bit more yellow up here, and then we'll do 1, 2 over here. Whoa. And that's gonna do it for today's layout, you guys. So don't forget to check everybody else out that's playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. I am going to be missing some of them, but I will make them up. And I'm going to focus this weekend. It's early evening on Saturday. I'm going to focus the rest of my weekend here on design team layouts and fun things like that. But dogs are going to bark. So I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.